America is currently preparing to build the world's largest missile defense system called the Golden Dome. But now a new report about this project has shocked the entire world. Earlier, it was estimated that the project would cost around $185 billion, but now America Budget Watchdog Agency claims that the real cost could reach $1.2 trillion, an amount larger than the entire economy of many countries. The Golden Dome project was launched under Donald Trump's administrations. Its main goal is to protect America from future missiles attacks. The system would include interceptor missiles on the ground along with thousands of satellites in space, designed to track and destroy enemy missiles immediately after launch. According to reports, nearly 7,800 space-based satellites could be used in this project, and most of the cost is expected to come from these massive space networks. Experts say building such a huge satellite defense system would be extremely difficult and expensive. America claims this system could stop missiles attacks from countries like North Korea. However, budget experts have warned that if a large-scale attack comes from powerful nations like Russia or China, the system might not be able to stop it completely. The project has also sparked political debate inside America. Many leaders are questioning why such a massive amount of taxpayer money is being spent on it. Meanwhile, for defense companies, this project could become a huge business opportunity with billions of dollars in contracts expected in the coming years. Major defense companies like Lockheed Martin, Boeing, Northrop Grumman, and RTX are already part of this race. Experts believe that space technology will play the biggest role in future warfare, and the Golden Dome could become America's biggest step in that direction. But now the biggest question remains, will America actually be able to build such an expensive defense shield? Or could this become the most expensive military experiment in world history?